Alright, cool. Because it ain't nothing better than more light. More light, making more better. Anyway, it's your boy LSJ254, man, and you tuned in for another one. This is really just an update video. This video, but it's not like a regular video. This is just to let y'all know that today, February 1st, 2024, that means it's 24 days exactly until we give away this turbo. GT45 turbo. You see it? GT45 turbo. This is it in my hand, cradled like a baby. We're giving this away in exactly 24 days. So go comment on that video, get it done so you can win it. Alright, real talk though, man. February 25th, turbo giveaway right here on LSJ254. It was a 10K subscriber giveaway. It was taking too long, almost 2 years. And like I told y'all in the other video, you go comment on that new video that I'm gonna put in the card up here or up there, whichever one. And that's it. February 25th, somebody getting chose, baby. Simple as that. So make sure y'all go comment on it to make sure that you get your chance to enter to win. Cause I don't want to hear, man, I ain't know. Bro, we've been doing this giveaway for damn near 2 years. We didn't hit the mark. It is what it is. It's my turbo. It's my giveaway. I do what I want. And if you don't like it, you can get the hell on. There go the dough. Or maybe the dough is that way. But anyway, somebody's finna win this turbo. So go comment on the new giveaway video that says the 10K giveaway is dead. Comment on that video to enter the win. And then you'll be entered to win. And then February 25th, 2024, somebody getting that turbo. Simple as that. Simple as that. We just shaking back from COVID. You know what I'm saying? So any shit y'all talking or spitting, I can take it. You know what I'm saying? I'm 2-0 versus COVID. You know what I'm saying? Every time it you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, I hit that bit back. So here we is, back again. Turbo giveaway. February 25th, 2024. Comment on the video. Winner will be announced. We ain't even gonna do it live, bro. After the 24th, 24th at midnight, when it becomes the 25th, I'm gonna pick a name, and then boom, that's gonna be the winner. Simple as that. Not even live, not waiting on nobody. I'm going to post it. That person gonna have 24 hours to respond. Matter of fact, I'm gonna probably go ahead and pick 3 people, because you know how people do on YouTube. They be flip-flopping back and forth. But look, I'm telling you, that's the purpose of this video. To tell you that in 24 days, that's how it's going down. 24 days, I'm picking a name. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pick 3 names. If you do not respond after I post the original video announcing the winner on the 25th, then you then have 24 hours. If I'm not contacted and within 24 hours, and I'm going to the next, I'm gonna make another video and I'm gonna post it saying, okay, well, boom, you done missed your time, 24 hours. Cause we've been knowing since the beginning of January that this was gonna be on the 25th of February, right? So why you wasn't there? You didn't think you was gonna win? You ain't had the faith? It's cool. I got you. I'm gonna slide you on out the way and move to the next person. So don't be that person they got skipped over because you wasn't even in attendance. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got your face in the place and where you need to be so that you can hear and see when your name is drawn. I'm just saying. You ain't even gotta be live. I'm gonna put the video, boom. Like I said, midnight hit, I'm gonna draw a winner, and boom. Within an hour, the winner will be announced. I'm gonna put the video up. 1 o'clock in the morning. 12 o'clock, 12:05, 12:10. You know what I'm saying? From there, 24 hours. If I'm not contacted, ways you can contact me. Email, lshepherdrider254@gmail. Instagram. TikTok. All the places that I usually be at that have an inbox. YouTube don't have an inbox. It is what it is. But email, Instagram, TikTok, probably the easiest ways you can get at me. You know what I'm saying? Any further questions? Oh, no, I think we covered it. Oh yeah, of course, all the regular contest stuff, got to be in the continental U.S. and, all that good stuff. But yeah, Max Speed Rods, the LS Chevrolet 254, February 25th, turbo giveaway. I ain't talking about it no more. See y'all on the 25th.